Welcome to our comparison video, where we will explore two innovative laundry solutions: the portable washing machine and the Apto VPVP portable dryer. Both products are designed for those who live in small spaces, such as apartments, dorms, or RVs. In this video, we will dive into their features, performance, and usability to help you decide which one is the better choice for your laundry needs. The portable washing machine offers a capacity of 10 liters, making it suitable for washing a decent amount of clothes at once. In contrast, the Apto VPVP portable dryer has a smaller capacity, which may require multiple drying cycles for larger loads. This difference in capacity is crucial for users who need to wash and dry clothes efficiently. The portable washing machine features 3 washing modes, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on the type of fabric and level of dirt. On the other hand, the Apto VPVP portable dryer offers 2 drying modes, warm and hot air, providing flexibility for different fabrics. This variety in modes enhances the usability of both products, catering to diverse laundry needs. While the portable washing machine requires manual operation, the Apto VPVP portable dryer comes with a remote control, making it easier to operate from a distance. This feature adds a level of convenience for users, especially when multitasking or when the dryer is placed in a less accessible location. The ease of use is an important factor to consider when choosing between these two appliances. In conclusion, both the portable washing machine and the Apto VPVP portable dryer offer unique features tailored for small living spaces. The washing machine excels in capacity and washing modes, while the dryer stands out with its remote control convenience. Depending on your specific laundry needs, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.